Welcome to the world of digital products where you can turn ideas into downloadable or streamable assets. In this video, we'll look at 20 popular types of digital products you can create and sell. Section 1. Educational digital products. Let's start with products that help people learn and grow. 1. Ebooks. Digital books that readers can download and enjoy on their devices. 2. Online courses. Video or text-based lessons that teach skills available from anywhere. 3. Templates. Ready-made documents like resumes, business plans, or presentations. 4. Webinars. Live or recorded online workshops that let you share your expertise. 5. Digital planners. Interactive planners to help people stay organized and productive. These educational products offer value to anyone looking to improve their skills or manage their lives more efficiently. Section 2. Creative and design digital products. Next up, let's dive into creative digital products for designers, artists, and marketers. 6. Digital art. Art created entirely using digital tools, perfect for sharing or selling. 7. Web design templates, pre-designed website themes that can be customized by users. 8. Digital stickers, fun, colorful stickers used in digital planners or messaging apps. 9. Fonts and typography, custom fonts used in branding websites or design projects. 10. Stock photos, high-quality images available for commercial use in marketing or design. Creative products give designers and content creators tools to bring their ideas to life. Section 3. Media and entertainment products. Digital products also dominate the world of media and entertainment. Music downloads, digital versions of songs and albums for music lovers, podcasts, on-demand audio shows people can listen to anytime. Audiobooks, narrated books that can be enjoyed hands-free, stock videos, pre-recorded video clips that can be used in various projects. Online games, interactive digital games available on computers, consoles, or phones. From music to videos, media products entertain and inform users across the globe. Section 4. Business and tech digital products. Business tools and software are among the most valuable digital products. Software as a service or SaaS, cloud-based software for personal and business use. Mobile apps, software applications designed specifically for smartphones, plugins and extensions, small software tools that enhance websites or applications, virtual coaching one-on-one or group sessions delivered via video calls, NFTs or non-fungible tokens, unique digital assets verified by blockchain technology. These digital tools make it easier for businesses and individuals to work smarter and create new experiences. There you have 20 digital products you can create and sell, from ebooks to apps and from digital art to online games. With the right idea, you can turn any of these into a successful business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and explore the digital product world today.